Good morning to all. Myself, Dr. Arun again here. I am going to take one topic from Aerospace Propulsion subject in Unit 1. So, title of the Unit 1 is Introduction to Aircraft Propulsion. And the topic name is Piston Engine Working Process. So, this is the piston engine working process. So, in that piston engine, it can be classified into 4 strokes. So, first one is a suction or induction stroke, compression stroke, power stroke, and exhaust stroke. So here this is the inlet valve, this is the exhaust valve, and this one is the spark plug, and this is the stroke length of this engine. It is the piston, and this is the crankshaft, and this is the crank pin. So in that crank pin, it will be used to connect the connecting rod to the piston. And here the connecting rod, it is used to connect between the piston and the crankshaft. These are all the some components in that engines. And in that induction stroke, the piston, it will be travel from. So in that first, the air, it will be allowed inside the cylinder. So during this process, the piston, it will travel from top dead center to bottom dead center. So this is the top dead center, and this is the bottom dead center. So here the piston travel from top dead center to bottom dead center. So during this process, the vacuum, it will be created. So air, it will be allow occupy inside the cylinder. And next one is the piston travel from bottom to top. So during this process, the inside the air, it will be compressed. So during the compression process, inside the air temperature and pressure, it will be increases. And the third one is the power stroke. So in that the compressed air, it will be hit in this spark plug. So during this heating section, the spark, it will be produced. So in that spark, it will be directly mixed with the compressor. During this process, the burning will happen. So due to the burning, the piston, it will be pushes from top to bottom. That is called as a power stroke. And last one is the exhaust stroke. So during the burning, the more amount of black smoke, it will be occupy inside the cylinder. So during this process, the uh, exhaust stroke, the piston travel from bottom to top. So that cases the burning smoke and the black smoke, it will be went outside in that exhaust valve. These are all the 4 stroke involved in that piston engine. Next one is in that piston engines, the uh, here the in aircraft, they are using the multi-cylinder engines. In aircraft car, they are using the multi-cylinder engine. So in two-wheeler, they are using the single-cylinder engines. So you see that figure. So here they are using the 18-cylinder engine. So here the air-cooled radial engines they are using. So in that air cooling, it will be they are using the fins. You see that figure. So in that structures, it will be in that structure, it is called as a fins. So in that fins, it will be utilized to cool the engines during the running time. Next one is the liquid cooling. So in that liquid cooling, they are using the radiator. So in that radiator, it will be directly connected to the engines through the pipeline. So in that pipeline, the radiator cool mixes with the coolant water. So here the ratio of the radiator and coolant water is 1:4. So 1% of coolant and 4% of water mixes, and it will be poured into inside the radiator. So in that radiator water, it will be circulated to throughout the engine. So during this process, the engine, it will be cooled. So this is the 4-cylinder engines, and here the rotary engines are fitted in this area. So here there are the 9 engines are fitted in this area. And the next one is the radial engines. It will be fitted in that Cessna aircraft. And these are all the Rolls-Royce engines. So here they are using the dual cylinders for this configurations. And these are all some modern equipments. Okay, so thank you. We will catch you on next video lectures.